Hey, what's up everybody? It's Weston back again with a brand new episode. Today's unboxing features not only an independent brand, but a black owned brand. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Today we're unboxing the Summer in America, or Saya, Culture Vulture in the Florida Nights colorway. Now this shoe retailed for $220 and it was $20 extra for the additional alternate laces. This colorway features an orange and gray color scheme with a fully reflective upper, a knit construct, and a very comfortable sole. This is a black owned independent clothing brand created by Delvin D. Nice Carter, offering his vision of luxury streetwear with original cut and sew pieces and of course sneakers. I've been following this brand since about 2016 and this guy is just straight up killing it. Like, so much so that he sells out every drop, like in seconds. It's wild to do this all independent. And then since the demand is still so high, he even offers limited pre-orders, which is the only way I was able to get this pair. Be fair warned, if you go the pre-order route, you gotta trust the process because he can be a little spirited with his weekly updates on Instagram regarding people not reading the bold print when they purchase a pre-order. It took about 3 to 4 months for me to get my pair, which was clearly stated in the description whenever I made the purchase. Now that I have them in hand, I can see that the quality of the knit is on par with Adidas and Nike. But one of my favorite features about this shoe is that the reflective threads are interwoven throughout the whole upper. Take a look. Now, if you know me, you know that I am a huge fan of extra laces. I'm a little hurt that they didn't come included with the shoes, but I decided to buy them nonetheless. And as expected, the alternate laces look great with the shoe. However, getting those laces on is a bit of a challenge. Looking at how much thicker the alternate laces are, I had a bit of a challenge threading the laces through each hole. Just to give you an idea, it took about 10 minutes just to lace up one shoe with the alternate laces. I also noticed that the material on the alternate rope laces are much looser, so passing them through these smaller holes, they kind of bunch up. So I had to make sure that those were kind of evened out before, advancing as well. If you thought Yeezys were hard to lace, think again, because I had to lace up one while keeping the original dead stock so I could follow the lacing properly. On his Instagram, he even has tutorials on how to lace up these shoes. Long story short, I am never removing these alternate laces. Now that they're all laced up, let's see what they look like on foot. So, since this is my first pair of Saya shoes, the website suggested that if you're a half shoe size, which I am, size down. So I got a size 9 because I'm naturally a 9.5. If you're a whole size, it's good to stick with your normal size. Overall comfort, I would equate it to an original Nike Presto. Great everyday feel, I even forget I'm wearing them sometimes. Now let's take a look with the flash on. Not gonna lie to y'all, this 3M is very impressive. perfect match on the alternate laces as well. Since this is an independent brand, I decided to pair the shoes with my own independent brand, Pixel Apparel, with my Pixelated Flyers PT with some camo joggers. Let me know what you think of the outfit down in the comments. So there you have it, my unboxing and review of the Saya Culture Vulture in the Florida Nights colorway. Dope shoe from a dope brand doing it all independent. As a black man with his own clothing brand, it is extremely inspiring to see Delvin Carter's success. Looking forward to my next pair. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, stay safe, and until next time, peace.